Mallela Theertham Waterfall is a beautiful waterfall located in the dense of Mallela forest area in the Ahmedabad zone of Mahamnar district in Telangana state. Waterfall is a true gift of nature. Located in a valley, this exit place takes nestling at the Nallamala forest range, a distance of 58 kilometers from Sreenivas and 173 kilometers from Hyderabad. Mallela Theertham is a charming waterfall located in the dense Nallamala forest. This is one of the popular tourist places to visit near Hyderabad and ideal weekend gateways from Hyderabad for a day trip. It is situated close to Hyderabad to Sreenivas highway and is popular place to visit while traveling to Sreenivas. After traveling 60 kilometers from Sreenivas towards Hyderabad highway, we have reached a village name is Vadvarlapalli. See there, this is the village of Vadvarlapalli and saw a way of Mallela Theertham Waterfalls name board. You have to take a right turn into the forest at Vadvarlapalli village and drive for 8 kilometers to reach the falls. The approach road towards the falls is bumpy and gets worse in peak monsoons. Autos and jeeps are available from Vadvarlapalli village. The best season to visit the falls is from October to February. Tourists may not find much water in summer season. The road became muddy during rainy season and very difficult to drive. After drive 6 kilometers from Vadvarlapalli, we reach a village name is Sarlapalli. This village to waterfall is just 2 kilometers and we saw a name board is there. Finally, we reach Mallela Theertham Waterfalls place. This is the parking area of waterfalls. The vehicles parking rate board is there. Bike for 20 rupees, auto, car, jeep for 40 rupees, tractor, minibus for 50 rupees, bus, lorry for 100 rupees. Parking charges are collected here. ఏరా దేనికి అవునా ఎంత ఆడు మంచిగా 20 అక్కడ బోర్డు ఉంది కదా అప్పుడు 5 రూపాయలు ఉండదు అవునా టోల్ గేట్ కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ సపరేట్. Here we saw another board of Mallela Theertham visiting hours and entrance fees. Waterfalls visit time is morning 8 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. Entrance fees is 20 rupees per head will be charged. ఏం లేవు కదా బండ్ల యాడటి తీసుకో వాటర్ బాటిల్ తీసుకో ఆ కవర్లో తీసుకుని వచ్చేసి అదో టికెట్ కౌంటర్ రావడం చూడు
खेलने की जगह मम्मी कोई भी उतर सकते हैं।
చెట్లు బాగా పెంచినారు. తీసుకోబడ్డావు టికెట్ This is the main entrance gate of Mallela Theertham Waterfalls. Here we get entrance ticket from counter and go about 380 well-laid steps need to be walked down to reach the falls from the road point. The pool below the falls is closed with fencing on all sides. However, there is path to reach the bottom of the falls and play in the water if the flow of stream is not heavy. The water main falls flow into another pool in the vicinity, forming another small but cute waterfall. Though reaching bottom of this fall is little difficult. With a height of about 150 feet, water directly fall from a high cliff off on a Shivlingas kind of rock formations. Bordered by thick forest, the surrounding of the falls offer unique experience. The water comes from a small stream which flows through the dense jungle and made the Krishna river. It is said that many sages have performed penances here for Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva has himself appeared here to his devotees. People also believe that in the night Gandharvas and Kinnaras are arriving and singing songs here. It is believed that many tigers visit this place to drink water during summer. Mallela Theertham is a good place to hang out for a weekend to enjoy with friends and family. As it is closer to Hyderabad, many students and employees come here to enjoy on the weekends. For those interested in adventure tourism and wildlife, this is the perfect spot. If you are looking for a place to find some rest for your mind, Mallela Theertham is the place to be. One look at the forest is enough to calm your mind. The chattering waterfall seems to be telling you that all is well with the world. For more adventurous kind, you could climb the nearby rocks and go right under the falls and take a shower. But be very careful. The rocks are very slippery and even a small fall could be dangerous. Beware of monkeys if you are carrying food packets. There are a lot of monkeys, but they do not disturb you unless you have some eatables with you. These places under Telangana State Government Amrabad Tigers Reserve Forest. Those who are interested in adventure, river crossing, trekking, sliding and campfire, this is the correct place. ముందు నా కవర్ చేయి.
అదే అలా స్టార్ట్ కట్ చేసింటే అయిపోతుంది.
అదే చెప్తుంది కదా, లిఫ్ట్ పెడితే అయిపోయి ఇవన్నీ కట్టలేను.
కింద గుంత ఉందా ఏమన్నా? మళ్ళీ మెట్లు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ పైకి.
వాంతికి నువ్వు తింటే పడతలేదు. నేను అట్లానే బెదిరి రాకుంటే
मैंने नहीं गई फिर कौन है
అదే దానికే చూస్తాను దూరం పెట్టుకుని. పైకి పన్ను ముందు పోయి కవర్ చేసుకో, ఆఫ్ చేసుకుని ముందు పోయి కవర్ చేసుకుంటా పైన. అట్లా టర్న్ తిప్పు, నేను నిలబడతా. కొండ బాగుంది అక్కడ. కొండ బాగుంది అక్కడ.
ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేశారండి.
ఇది లోయ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆగింది, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆగింది. అక్కడ రాజులో
వేసుకో చాలా చెప్పులు
చెప్పులు
మంచి రాకపోతున్నాయి కావాలి కోతులు. చూసినా పూనే కాదు జిందగీ తర్వాత బాగుంటుంది. పడానికి భయపడుతుంది.
గోడను పట్టుకోమా, గోడను పట్టుకోరే, గోడను పట్టుకోగను. జాగ్రత్త, గోడను పట్టుకుని ఇప్పుడు ముందుకు రావద్దు. వాటర్ పట్టకడం చూడరా.
నీళ్ళలో జారాదనా? మామా అమ్మాడికి వద్దులే, జారుతుంది అది. వద్దు వద్దులే. గ్రావిటీ అని గ్రావిటీ లాగే మొత్తం కవర్ చేసిన.
అదే పోతుంది కానీ
జాగ్రత్త జాగ్రత్త.
అది గ్రాఫిక్స్ ఉన్నట్టుంది అది.
మొదలు